Let us show you how to use the feature in the PIC app for open shifts, which will help scheduling things easier for PICs to schedule caregivers. What are open shifts? Open shifts are a more flexible way to fill shifts while keeping client comfort and caregiver choice at the center. Clients, or PICs, select a group of caregivers they are comfortable working with. The shift is sent to all selected caregivers at the same time. Caregivers can choose whether the shift works for them. The first caregiver to accept the shift is assigned. This helps shifts get filled faster while giving caregivers more control and keeping client preferences respected. How to use open shifts. Need coverage fast? Open shifts make it easy to offer a shift to your whole team and get it filled quickly. Here's how it works. Step 1. Create a new shift. Start by tapping New Shift. Enter the shift details like the date, time, and location, just like you normally would. Step 2. Turn on Open Shift. Next, toggle Open Shift on. This lets eligible caregivers see and request the shift instead of assigning it to just one person. Step 3. Choose your team. Select the team or service this shift belongs to. This ensures the shift is only visible to caregivers who are qualified to pick it up. Step 4. Add notes or requirements. If needed, add notes like required skills, client preferences, or reminders. These details help caregivers know exactly what to expect. Step 5. Post the open shift. When everything looks good, tap Create Shift. The shift is instantly sent to eligible caregivers. What happens next? Caregivers can now accept the shift directly in the app. You'll be notified as the acceptance comes in. If no one accepts the shift 48 hours before the shift, you will be notified. And that's it! Open shifts help you fill coverage faster while giving caregivers flexibility. Simple, quick, and stress-free. Thank you for watching this training video on how to use open shifts using the Giv.care PIC mobile app. If you have any questions, please email us at support@Giv.care.